So I'm asked quite often how, the designer has decided that they want to use a PermaTrak system, and they're asking the question, look, I've got a federal money involved in this is state money, this is county money, I can't call you out by name and just simply sole source your product. How do I do that but yet get what I want as a product? And that's not an uncommon question. And my answer to that is, if we've done this on every job except for one job, it has been a publicly funded job. And we can provide you examples of how that's been done. We've been involved in federally funded jobs as well as local, county, city type projects. And typically what happens is we get involved with the designer and we can provide some standard details, some standard specifications, even some performance specifications that would be included in the technical specifications. And we provide that information. So it might say, you might have details that would show a precast reinforced concrete boardwalk system. So number one, you're going to call out the material that you want, and then we would have technical specifications that would support that type of boardwalk system. Those are drawings and details that we can generate. We would provide to you. We can provide those in AutoCAD format if you wish, and you can take those and use those on your company's border and include those in the bidding documents. Many times, if there's engineering and foundation design involved, we can get involved, and we would ahead of time could do that design and provide you with that information and give you those drawings, and you could certainly include those with your bidding documents.